Dear viewers, today I am going to make chicken with broccolis in oyster sauce. So for that reason, we have just put it aside, taken some chicken, very small portion for you. Now we just make some mixture in it. First of all, some soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, because my chicken is really small, like 250 grams. And then I put some cornstarch, 1 spoon cornstarch, mix them well like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, and last but not least, put some cooking oil in it. You can see some cooking oil, 1 tablespoon cooking oil. So after mixing it, my chicken is done. The chicken is ready for fry. You don't need to wait so long. Okay, now what I do, I just throw the hot oil, cleaned it, and cooking oil, and here I just introduce you what we need actually to make that. We need some, from here, chicken stock. We need some freshly chopped ginger. We need some freshly chopped garlic, and we also need some diluted cornstarch. I just diluted it. Okay, you can see, nice. Some broccolis cut very freshly and in a small portion like this. I can show it. Okay, my pan is hot already. Here I put some cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. For your viewing purpose, what I do, I keep them aside here in a table. I put them and I take the burner nearer to the camera so that you can watch me very nicely. Okay, now first of all, I have to put some ginger, freshly chopped ginger, and garlic, and yeah, I need to toss them 7 to 10 seconds until the aroma comes from the frying pan. Now what I do, yes, I should not let it burn. Before it burns or anything, I just put my chicken, my lovely chicken mixed with soy sauce and cornstarch, cooking oil. I put the chicken for fry. Let it fry. Let the flame become a little bit high. Yes, the chicken is cooking. And let me introduce the other ingredients which I need to make this broccoli chicken in oyster sauce. So for that, I need the oyster sauce, of course. I need the cornstarch, soy sauce, light soy sauce, cooking oil, and some sesame oil. Now what I do, I will make the chicken cook for 4 to 5 minutes, but I can suggest otherwise if the temperature is high. Especially the Chinese cooking, they cook in high flame. That is one of the secret of Chinese cooking. High flame and Chinese cooking has a strong bond. You see the fried chicken, fried chow mein fry actually. Okay. See, my chicken is becoming golden brown. Toss them this way, that way. I cut the chicken really very small so that the cooking time I can reduce, because I don't want to waste your time, but at the same time I want to show you the exact way how they make these chicken broccoli in oyster sauce. It's really yummy, tasty. I will show you in 2 minutes. Now you can see my chicken is becoming, golden brown. That's which I was waiting for these 2 minutes. After my chicken is cooked, what I do, I prepare for broccoli, but before that I wanna place my chicken to another bowl. Let it fry for, let's say, more 30 seconds, and I wash my bowl on which I just marinated or mixed. I don't know how you describe that. Anyway, now my chicken becoming crispy, golden brown, nice, and aroma of, you see, the ginger and garlic. The aroma of ginger and garlic is not burned, but it's coming very awesome, very awesome. Okay, now set aside this chicken to the bowl. Yeah, very fast, because the flame is working there. It's not sitting for me. Yeah. After that, what I do, I just take my broccolis, as I introduced my broccolis to you before. Put it in the pan and toss them, and the temperature a little bit down, because meat and vegetable are different things. Vegetables need a small time. As it is oyster sauce, chicken in oyster sauce, chicken broccoli, so we put oyster sauce. It depends on how many broccolis you put. So for me, not too much, so I just put around 1 tablespoon. Done. And mix them. After mixing them, my next step is going for my chicken stock. Here is my chicken stock. I put the chicken stock in this. After I put the chicken stock in the broccolis, I want to, make the temperature a little bit high and put it for simmer around a minute, because broccolis cooks really very fast, and I have to also be very fast for you, because you have a small time, but at the same time you have to know the ingredients and you know how to make it very yummy. So it's really just like these few ingredients on a right way you put, and here you go. It's simple as like that. Cooking is an art, and we are drawing something. Okay, let's see how it's going on. Okay, great. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, now in a minute, what I do, this is my cornstarch diluted in water. Okay, now it's time for my cornstarch diluted to go to this veg broccoli. The temperature is really high temperature, and now what I do, I just put my cornstarch. Yeah, don't put too much, just a bit is okay. Now you can see after the cornstarch mixing with oyster sauce, the aroma is becoming really yummy. Now without making any delay, what we are going to do, putting our chicken back to the frying pan. This time we are mixing it up, mixing all the ingredients and let it be cooked for just, let's say, half a minute. Yes, if you like, you can just for 30 seconds, half a minute, you can put it under simmer. Yes, the temperature is going on and it's being cooked. Yeah. Okay, now what we do, we mix it again nicely, and at the very last we put some sesame oil, though we don't need excessive, but for the flavor and taste we need a little bit. And here we go, your chicken with broccolis in oyster sauce is cooked. It's fast, it's easy and yummy. Here we go. You can see the texture. Wow. You can eat with rice and